Yo guys, what's going on? Connor here. Today we are riding to a random trail that I went to before that I'm trying to see if it's open today. If you saw last video, we've got all new brakes and new rear brake pedal on this bike, so glad to have that installed. Still getting used to the new pads though. Still getting used to it. I'm just like also hoping these are installed correctly, the brakes that is. It's my first time ever changing pads. I mean, it's really not that hard to do, but I always worry myself when it comes to stuff like this. God, I think I need to tighten my chain too. You guys hear that? Why does it sound so bad though? I mean, that's pretty fucking loose, to be honest. Probably use a little tighten. But yeah, guys, we're going to an old off-road spot that I went like maybe a year ago at this point. I've tried to go back a few times, but it was closed most of those times. So we're just seeing if we're gonna get lucky today. See if it's open. Beautiful back roads, as always. Always gotta wheelie the hills, people. Ooh, okay, so I know where I am now, actually. This takes me right to where I'm trying to go. See, it would be cool to explore this, but she's all blocked off. No way getting through. So onwards we go then. Onwards we go. Here we are. Jump this thing. Oh, and it looks like the gate is open. Dude, it hasn't been open in ages. Let's go. Okay, vamonos. And we got a truck in here for some reason. Woo! Throwing up loads of dust. But there's a little like single track part that I'm gonna want to go to. Oh, are they doing like an exercise here or something? Are you guys doing like a water rescue exercise? Nice. Is it volunteer or is it both? Okay, cool, cool. That's fun. You start pretty early though too, right?
We were in the pool by 8:30 this morning.
Yeah, it's a long day. Alrighty. You're right back here. Yeah, I'm glad this is open. Alright, let's be careful so we don't fucking eat shit, but some more urban exploring for you guys. Whew. Wonder if there's people back here. Oh yeah, train track. Yeah guys, I'm definitely gonna be getting a new rear tire soon. Tire's pretty worn. I'm honestly thinking, so I've got Shinko SR244s on it right now. I'm thinking of just going the same way just because they're pretty decent, honestly. The only reason they were worn so much is because for a year this was my only form of transportation, so I took it on the highway and shit all the time. This is cool though. I was like riding through this. Oh, it's sandy. Just got loose there. Whew. Gotta concentrate. Yeah, but Shinko SR244, the front has like a ton of tread left, so I think I'm just gonna stick with that in the rear. And then also ideally get a pair of Sumo wheels, then I can just swap them out. So I'll have my SR244s on the dirt wheels. They're not too expensive, which is good. And then they're pretty decent. And then I'll have the Sumo wheels with, you know, probably GPR 300s. But, oh my God, that is why you wear a boot. Holy shit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I gotta pay attention here. But yeah, this is a cool little area down here. Yeah, my foot is actually starting to hurt now. God damn, bro, I slammed the fuck out of it there. Whew! And here we are. Oh, yeah, my foot is gonna hurt now tomorrow. See if we can get this thing to stay up. Dude, yeah, I just slammed the fuck out of this boot. I can feel the inside is like indented. Whew! That is why you wear boots though, folks. That's exactly why I wore them coming here, but just a nice bike. See, last time we were here, we took the bike down here, basically got it stuck down here, tried to like ride out and just kind of fell. Well, now I feel like I could ride up this so easily, but this is so soft that you'll really just sink in. Like, look at this. And I've also got no tread left, so let's climb up on this shit. Woo! I wonder how far down that goes. go over here. Yeah, these boots are great because you actually have like treads. You can walk comfortably. So if you get off the bike and hike around, it's not too bad. Fuck it, I think we're gonna ride through this. It's gonna be bumpy, but we can do it. All right, we're gonna go slow through this upper portion. All these jagged rocks. Hopefully it's not too hard to get back. That's what I'm now thinking. It'll be a little gnarly coming back, huh? I mean, we should be able to do it though. The GoPro probably doesn't do it justice, but these are very jagged rocks. And it puts you in an easy spot to drop the bike, is what I would say. Whew! Freaking rock crawling this thing. Oh, just slam my nuts. Just freaking rock crawling this thing. There we go. Now on to some even terrain. Dang, this must just keep going and going. I guess we could just keep following it. Wow, there's really no grip there, huh? Digging a hole. All right. Just weed whacking through here. There we go. There's a trail. Yeah, this is very sandy if you guys can't tell. Very sandy. Oh, I gotta be careful. This stuff looks soft and that'll slide you right into the river. Look at those ducks swimming away. Where does that trail even go? Oh, what? This is mega cool. Yo, what the hell? This is wet. What the hell is this? A little tunnel. I must just be another trail up there, but all right, let's get back to my bike. It's creeping me out, being in here all by myself. Sheesh, she looks good though. Look at that. Through the trees. Nice. All right, let's spin her around. Onwards. Back the way we came. Whew. So sandy. It's so soft, guys. Back end kicks right out. It's wild. And we'll just go down. Yep. Watch those big old rocks. All right, now the trek back. I think it's gonna be easiest to go down below. Oh, well, looks like I'm up top now. Now I guess we're going up top then. Oh, guys, this like looks like it wouldn't be that bad, but you are just getting like freaking bounced all around. Oh, don't drop it, please. This is like the stuff that Adventure Daily loves. Whew. It's a good break for me and the bike. Adventure Daily loves this like real slow tactical shit, I feel like. I mean, I like it, but I kind of like the more open trails where you can kind of rip it a little bit. As if I can rip it, but come on, you old pig. Fucking hell, dude. Jesus, bro. Burning rubber out here. Yeah, that's a good thumbnail. You look good on that side. All right, let's lift this poor thing up before she starts leaking or some shit. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Oh, yeah. Nice little scar there. FMF has always looked like that. Hey, the new brake pedal isn't bent at all, though. Okay. Yep, we made it, yay! Well, I am not doing rocks like this again without deflating my tires. We made it out though! Yeah, we're still getting used to it. That's not a bad wheelie, but we're getting all side to side, obviously, which I don't love. All right, I just found a Sur-Ron. You know I'm gonna go follow him, that's for sure. Sur-Ron?
Yes, sir.
Nice, dude, it's dope. Is that the... It's just like the Sur-Ron, yeah, nice.
Yeah, the Sur-Ron, yeah.
Is it stock?
Yeah.
Sweet, dude.
Got it, a couple weeks ago.
How do you like it?
Yeah, it's fun.
They look a lot of fun, dude. You can like get them to make so much power too. All right, so I'm showing this guy the little trailhead here first. I don't think I'm gonna go in again, but alrighty, guys. So I just realized I wasn't recording, but basically just showed that dude on the Sur-Ron, the trailhead, so we can go check it out. But I am not riding it again after what I just experienced. Oh yeah, it's really raining now. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time, hopefully a little bit drier. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me.